It took a while to gather what I needed for my home setup. Different aged monitors and laptop required a variety of unique adapters, and I had to recreate how to set all that up with what I had around the house. How I stay connected with my team is with an ongoing dialogue in Slack, not only with my immediate team, but with larger teams. We communicate a lot. The most unique way I've done calls has been Zoom calls in my car using my phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. I think the biggest pro of working from home is that I don't have to drive an hour into the city anymore. Plus, the lunch breaks are way more fun. The con is that my kids live with someone at high risk in their mom's home, and we don't want to put that person at risk. So we made the decision that my kids should stay with their mom until it's safe. I honestly don't know when I'll see them again. I remind myself I'm still surrounded by people I love and have a job that I can do at home when other people are really struggling to find work. I have a lot to be grateful for, and that keeps me really positive.